Pet Dogs and Proverbs, Part 7. Dogs are more of a responsibility than kids. You can send a kid off to their grandparents or a nanny, but with a dog, you can't do that. Jason Gann. Dogs give us something, just as we give something to them. Robert Crais. I think women are natural caretakers. They take care of everybody. They take care of their husbands and their kids and their dogs and don't spend a lot of time just getting back and taking time out. Reese Witherspoon. Like, share, and subscribe.